The story is narrated by a young girl named Scout Finch, who lives with her older brother Jem and their father Atticus, a lawyer. The children are fascinated by their mysterious neighbor Boo Radley, who has not been seen in public for years. Meanwhile, their father is appointed to defend a black man named Tom Robinson, who has been accused of raping a white woman. As the trial unfolds, Atticus faces intense criticism and threats from the town's residents for taking on such a controversial case. Despite overwhelming evidence of Tom's innocence, the all-white jury finds him guilty and he is sentenced to death. As the community's prejudice against black people continues to be evident, Scout and Jem also face their own challenges, including bullying and harassment from their classmate. However, they eventually learn valuable lessons about empathy, courage, and standing up for what is right. In the end, the children are attacked by the woman's father, Bob Ewell, who seeks revenge for Atticus's defense of Tom Robinson. However, they are saved by Boo Radley, who reveals himself as their savior. The story ends with Scout reflecting on the events of the past year and realizing the importance of seeing things from others' perspectives. The novel explores themes of racism, prejudice, social inequality, and the loss of innocence. The story begins with Scout, her brother Jem, and their friend Dill becoming fascinated with their reclusive neighbor, Arthur, Boo Radley. The children try to get Boo to come out of his house, but are met with resistance from the adults in their lives. Meanwhile, Scout's father, Atticus Finch, is appointed to defend Tom Robinson, a black man accused of raping a white woman. Atticus is a respected lawyer in the community, but faces opposition and threats from many of the town's white residents for agreeing to take on the case. Despite this, Atticus remains committed to defending Tom to the best of his ability. As the trial progresses, the town becomes increasingly divided over the issue of race. Although Atticus presents a strong case in Tom's defense, he is ultimately found guilty by an all-white jury. Tom is later killed while attempting to escape from prison. In the aftermath of the trial, Scout and Jem are forced to confront the reality of racism and injustice in their community. They learn valuable lessons about courage, empathy, and the importance of standing up for what is right, even in the face of adversity. The novel concludes with Scout reflecting on the events of the past year, and realizing that the lessons she has learned will stay with her for the rest of her life.